You will not believe what just happened, guys. I'm shook. So basically, this girl is saying that Baby Sim will get arrested even though someone was on her account. So, yeah. Like, a girl named Jay was on the account, and it was not Baby Sim, and she said that she'll get arrested for that because the police don't have the truth. That is kind of true, but kind of not. Because they should believe the person. Even though it was on her account, it still doesn't matter. Jay was on her account, and we all know it. And there was actually proof that Jay was on it. Okay? Twins. Didn't. Scam. I feel like I'm in a dream right now. I don't know why. What's this? Can I move my car? Why? Just because. Even recording. I'm even recording. Yeah, this is an account. That's, I won. My gosh. I'm like, yeah, even recording it. This is an account that was given to me, guys. Do you know? Okay, let's grab some makeover. I'm gonna log into my Rare account. It's also shared with the girl. But yeah. Okay. So, if you're a supporter of Baby Sim, good job. You're telling the truth, Yeah. Kaylee. XO. I wish that I could just say it out loud. I mean, I'm not. Am I retarded? I cannot say my password out loud. Okay. What's that? What's that? Okay, that's scary. Demon. Okay, I'm also recording. Oh. Hi to no views. Just kidding. She probably gets a lot more views than I do. KK. Okay. What? Oh yeah, this account. That's why I said I know I'm on. This account used to have VIP. Like 1 year VIP. How come the girl that said she wanted to share the account with me, like, I didn't even retrade on her Rare account? I mean, you don't always have to retrade. Yeah, so stop texting me. Okay. But you ain't got to be rude about it. You know your friends will see your true colors. I'm gonna get a new outfit. Okay, but you ain't got to be rude about it. You know your friends will see your true colors. Look at this conversation. I do not want to talk about it. Please don't quit. I'm quitting. Oh. Dude, I didn't do anything to you. I just said I don't. Then you said, yeah, so stop texting me. Yeah, so stop texting me. And you keep trying to convince me to give you my account. Don't. Because I'm recording. Okay. You cannot assume. Okay, you cannot assume. Bye. Bye. I'm not gonna block them. Don't worry. Chill. So worries about a friend. I told her that she cannot assume. Like she's already saying, oh, you're a scammer. No, I actually gave a girl a makeover like today. Look. Okay, go. Down. I did it 1 hour ago. You can even look. You see this? Okay. She was recording also. So no, I don't scam. For people who say I do, you're assuming it, and it's not good because you don't know what I really actually do. You're just assuming because you think it's fun to assume. Okay? Now let's get on to the better part. Okay, this black to school. What's that? I'm gonna make this account look hot. Me. I'm gonna make this account look hot. Okay, tell her that I'm Rick. I'm Rick. There you go. I was dancing in the rain. He said I was dancing in the rain. God save the prom queen. I'm waiting. Rock Night. Okay, that's pretty cute, actually. I really like that. Okay. There's literally no red in that. That's racist. No, it's not actually. Stop. Chill. I'm not actually being serious. You thought I was being serious? No, because guess what? That's not being racist. Okay, it was just a joke. You can chill down now. Hi, you too. I'm Poppy. Hit me up. I'm single and straight. When your friend just literally wants someone to hold her. Hi, guys! Oh my gosh, you do not know how long I've been trying to find this. Literally, I love this. Okay, bye. Yeah, that girl said that I ski. When I didn't even give her a makeover yet. And she said, oh no, you're just trying to steal my account. I've never given that girl a makeover. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ Pumos. 1 second. Let me get copyrighted real quick, okay? So it starts with you go to youtube.com. You wait for it to load because sometimes it takes forever to load. Then, once it loads, you might go back to your page. Then you do this. You search up the song you want to play. Ready? I know exactly which one I want to play. She tastes like candy. Song. Candy. Oh gosh. She tastes like candy. She's so sweet. Okay. Let's get copyrighted today, okay? Because my middle name is copyrighted. I've literally gotten copyrighted so much times in my other account, you do not understand.
I can name a couple ways, maybe this shit might go. You just might forget that this was what you're getting hyped for.
Oh, by the way, this is the girl that chose the account.
Just like candy, she's so sweet. You know that it ain't no cherry. Know that it ain't no cherry. She's just like candy, she's so sweet. You know that it ain't real. Know that it ain't real. She's just like candy, she's so sweet. You know that it ain't no cherry. Know that it ain't no cherry. She's just like candy, she's so sweet. You know that it ain't real. I can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat that till your teeth rot. I can be your cherry apple pecan on your key lime. Baby, I got everything, it's so much more than she's got. And it's such a technical thing.
Look, here's proof that I'm rich.
She's just like candy. She's so sweet. You know that it ain't no cherry. Know that it ain't no cherry. She's just like candy. She's so sweet. You know that it ain't real. Know that it ain't real. She's just like candy. She's so sweet. You know that it ain't no cherry. Know that it ain't no cherry. She's just like candy. She's so sweet, you know that it ain't real. Know that it ain't real. Sugar-coated, lies unfolded. You select the rapper. It's addictive.
Someone buy her VIP.